We are not that bad policemen or bad individuals. We are just a tool. We are just angels that God gave talent to. Talent mo yung pagpatay. Hindi talent yun. To get these bad souls back to heaven and cleanse them. It's not about killing for pleasure or being a homicidal maniac. There is a higher purpose at play. We are here as angels like Saint Michael and Saint Gabriel, right? May connection kaya ang Davao Death Squad sa Angels of Death? Hindi ko masasabi definitively. Pero kung pagbabasihan natin ang relasyon ni Kibuloy at ni Duterte, matagal na silang friendships eh. Matagal na silang magkasama. I would even dare say, sa sobrang lalim ng connection nitong dalawang to, baka pati sa kalokohan, pareho sila. Baka iniisip nila, hindi ako lalaglag nito, kaibigan ko to eh. At baka napoprotektahan din ni Digong itong si Kibuloy sa mga kalokohan nyo noon sa Davao. Kung totoo itong Angels of Death at luma na to at matagal na siya, iisipin ko, baka naghahalo minsan yung Angels of Death tsaka yung Davao Death Squad.